Hey y'all, this is Rachel and welcome back to my channel, Rachel's Plans. Thank you for stopping by and joining me for another video. This will not be a plan with me, but it will be a small haul that I got from the new Happy Planner Summer Refresh collection. So I just wanted to show you all what I got pretty quick. It's pretty small, so I'll let you all see what I got. So let me just take everything out and I'll be back. All right, y'all, so I'm back with the items. First, I got this, well, let's put this back. First, I have this 12-month Wild Style mini vertical planner. And do I need another mini planner? I don't, but I think I want to challenge myself and then also show you guys who have vertical planners how to decorate them or decorate it. So I'm not going to do a flip through, but yeah, so it's the vertical Wild Style planner that looks just like my classic Happy Planner. So yeah, so I have that one and I just think it's so cute. I've never decorated a mini vertical, so I'm looking forward to showing you guys how I would decorate in this mini vertical. So love this one. All right, next I have this wellness planning sticker book. I initially did not order this because I didn't think I needed it or I didn't think I would like it, but I went back and looked at it and y'all, the colors are so pretty and they're different colors. You don't usually see these colors in Happy Planner sticker books. Let's see, y'all, these are so pretty. I like this yellow or this kind of golden color, and this is cute. I love these colors, y'all. Oh, look at this one. This is really pretty. I like the green. I think this is like a marigold color. And then look at this page, y'all. This is really pretty. It will be all right. Small steps lead to big steps. Fall in love with yourself. I love these colors. Look at this one. We are all a work in progress. Isn't that the truth? And that's rose gold foil. I love this one too. Chill out. Flow, don't force. Slow down. Deep breath. Start again. Look at this one. And these are paper, y'all, so you can write on these. Really pretty. Morning reflection. So cute. Evening reflection. Oh, look at this, social media free day. I think we all need to take some of those, right? Every once in a while. This is pretty, the backdrop, y'all. I don't know if you can see this, but let me show you. See, they're little circle stickers. It says clean and declutter your space. Really pretty. Yeah, that's pretty. This is the sky, and then these are mountains down here. It's like the sun is setting. Yeah, this is so pretty. It says wellness tasks. Turn off your phone, spend time with a friend, plant something outside, drink plenty of water, journal about today, make a healthy meal, write a thankful note to someone, set a small attainable goal, go on a walk, do a breathing exercise, dabble in a hobby, clean and declutter your space, take a stretch break, do a social media free day, plan a night in with friends, unsubscribe from unwanted emails. I need to definitely do that. Read a favorite book and develop rituals. Love this page. Oh, this is cute. They all say me time. Me time. No, I lied. Me time, lazy day, and relax. And those were clear, and these are clear. And then these are paper. So you get two of the same pages. Today's mood. Exercise today. These are cute. And these prompts say today I feel and today was. And then the middle says today in a word. So little prompts. You get 2 pages of those. Habit trackers. A weekly challenge with the foil. Weekly challenge, no foil. These are all paper too. Ways I'm adding to my wellness. Ways I'm adding to my emotional wellness. Then ways I'm adding to my physical wellness. Then ways I'm adding to my social wellness. Okay. I like this one. Ways I'm adding to my career wellness. Ways I'm adding to my mental wellness. And then ways I'm adding to my spiritual wellness. And these. Some more scripts, stickers, foil. This is pretty. I love these colors, y'all. This is huge, but so pretty. These are all clear. All of the quote stickers have been clear. All right, y'all, and that's it. The Wellness Planning Sticker Book. Okay. And y'all, then I got another layered floral sticker book. I think they're all sold out. So yeah, I just needed to have another. I'm going to do a quick flip through. I know you guys have probably all seen this sticker book, but I'll do a quick flip through. I just love going through this sticker book, y'all. These stickers are so fun and vibrant. Pretty. I ordered this sticker book because I wanted these. Again, I love this section of the sticker book. They're just so pretty. And these are cute. All right. So y'all, so that is my little haul that I got. I ordered another, I had another order, but it was, what was it? It was the sticker, they had, I don't know, I think it was a 40% off sale or something. I don't know, I caught a sale and it was older sticker books. Like I got 2 more of the Christmas sticker books. The green wrong seasonal, and the accessory book. I got, I think it was maybe Happy Hostess, but I got some of the things that I had been wanting to get, but I wanted to get them at a sale price. So I got the layered florals, the wellness planning sticker books, and my mini vertical wild style planner. So y'all, so this is it. This is my mini haul that I got from the Happy Planner, and I hope you liked this video. If you did, don't forget to leave me a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also if you're not following me, don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Plan with Rachel. And thanks so much for watching. Bye guys.